Porsche USA, the trusted name in strength equipment.
Alright guys, here we have the advanced video for the F-FID or the Porsche USA flat incline decline bench. So very popular bench in the range, sits right in the middle of the price points of the range. It's going to be offering everything someone's going to need for a domestic setting. Also really good for someone wanting to be chucking it in like a personal training studio or marginal semi-commercial area. Let's have a look at the adjustment points and the bottom. So at the bottom of the bench we've got our welded feet. As you can see here, so we've got 1, 2, 3 and 4. All the feet are welded on there. It's going to give the bench nice bit of stability, which is very important for the user when they're on this bad boy. So we've got wheels at the front here. When we've got this attachment into the front, the handle there can be utilized for you to be able to move the bench around with ease. So we'll just take this attachment out. It's just on a simple pop pin mechanism, and then this attachment, if I grab the pin and just put the pin in, that just goes in there like that. And then from there, it's nice and easy to adjust. Obviously, you've got the handle, you can pick it up, you've got those fantastic wheels on the front there, you can move around with ease. Fantastic bench. Alright, adjustment points. If you can zoom in, Mr. Cameraman, if you can see those stickers, we've got it actually showing you the degrees that are utilized for the gym or for the bench. So we've got from 0 degrees all the way up to 85 degrees. So I'll just show you those. So at 0 degrees, obviously it's in relation to that top backrest, so that's flat. Then we move it up to 40 degrees, so it's going to be used for incline press. You've got 20 in the middle there. Then 55, 70, and then 85 degrees basically puts it nearly upright, which is good for utilizing when you're doing military press and all the seated exercises when you need a bit of support from the back. So let's chuck that back into that flat position, and we look at our seat rest here. So it's got an adjustment on here as well. So this is a unique spring-loaded system. So all you got to do there is just pull this. It unlocks out of the housing, and it's nice and easy to move. I'll just lift it out of the way. Here you can get a good look at how that works. Alright, so just there. Three adjustment points up and down. Alright, so let's say we have it in this position here. Alright, then because I've got it in that position here, I want to be doing an incline press. That's going to put me in a much better position because that seat rest has come up. Alright, back into flat here. We'll flatten this guy out. And that takes us to some of the other attachments that come with the FID. So the leg A is F-LEG-A. So that just fits into the side here. So if I flip that over, you can see that housing. Alright. And then your stainless steel shaft is going to just slide into that, like so. And then you've got your pin at the back here, if you can focus in on that. So a couple of screws anti-clockwise, pull it up, and then it's adjustable. So now you've got a nice additional optional attachment, which then gives you the option of doing leg extension exercise. So a good exercise for possibly someone that's had a bit of a knee injury to rehabilitate that, and also isolates those quad muscles there. This sleeve, when it was set up, we've got that grub screw there. So the grub screw there is going to tighten, and it keeps that sleeve on, stop it from slipping off. But it also can be utilized for Olympic size weights and your standard size weights as well. Alright, so when we're referring to that, that means the diameter of the hole in between the weight plate. So we'll chuck that back on there. Let's get rid of this attachment. We'll take it out. So it's nice and easy to get rid of, easy to adjust. So we'll put that one to the side, and I'll grab the arm A, or the F-ARM-A attachment. Here's one I prepared earlier. So to reiterate, this is the F-ARM-A ARMA. So we've got that same sort of thing. This slides into that housing. Shafts there. Let's say I want to be doing bicep curl, I'll have this set at maybe about 70-degree point. Then you get your barbell, and that just sits on here. Another way you can use it is some isolation exercise with a dumbbell. So I'll just get a dumbbell. Thank you, Sam. Sam. So from here, we can isolate that bicep. Boom. Oh, sorry, we got carried away there. All right, so there we have the F-FID. You can see it's utilised the Vortex ripstop material. So nice finish, got that grey edging along there. All these sort of things are going to help increase the look of the unit and looking nice on the floor or on the online. It's going to help get people over the line through that sales process. So, as I mentioned, ripstop style material, got that nice edging over the seam there. Very good quality material, heaps of foam padding, so it's really dense there. Again, it's just going to make it extra comfortable for that end user. So put it back down to that flat position. We'll leave that in there for now. So there it is, guys, the F-FID or Force USA Flat Incline Decline Bench. So that comes with a lifetime structural warranty, 12 months on parts, and of course, 90 days on upholstery. Thanks, guys.
Force USA, the trusted name in strength equipment.